Oyster sauce originated in China, and it is thought to have been accidentally invented by Li Sheng. Sheng was a street vendor that would sell oysters. It is said that one day he left his oyster soup cooking for too long, and when he checked the pot, he found that the soup had reduced to a thick, brown, delicious sauce that his customers instantly fell in love with. Since then, oyster sauce has spread across many Asian countries and is mostly used in Cantonese, Thai, and Vietnamese cuisines. Today, oyster sauce is made by cooking oysters for an extended period of time, allowing the water to reduce and the flavor to intensify. Salt and sugar are added, and then the mixture is thickened with cornstarch. The end result is a thick, syrupy sauce that lies somewhere between soy sauce and barbecue sauce. What surprises many people is that despite being made from oysters, oyster sauce doesn't taste like fish at all. It can be best described as earthy with a slightly sweet yet salty taste. It is less salty than soy sauce, yet full of umami flavor. The brand Maekrua is well known for their Thai oyster sauce and is considered a premier brand. Maekrua has a reputation for making Thailand's best oyster sauce for decades. Maekrua is the gold standard for taste and quality. The main ingredients in this oyster sauce are oyster extract, soy sauce, water, sugar, modified starch, and cornstarch. There are 20 servings per container. The serving size is about 1 tablespoon, and there are 10 calories per serving. I really like that the shelf life of this product is about 2 years. Once opening this product, be sure to refrigerate it. If you enjoy the traditional flavors of Asian cuisine and want to replicate those flavors at home, oyster sauce is the way to go. The flavor is dark and developed and will add depth to any meat or vegetable dish. If you decide to cook with this oyster sauce, remember that it builds flavor very quickly. It can easily be added to mirin, rice vinegar, and soy sauce, and used as a sauce for stir-fry or mixed with noodles. Many people mix it and use it as a marinade for meat or to coat roasted vegetables. Because of its texture, it will add a glossy appearance to your dish. One of the easiest ways to use oyster sauce is to add a spoonful to soups to thicken the broth and deepen the flavor. Finally, oyster sauce can simply be used straight from the bottle as a garnish and finishing touch to your favorite dish. I'm going to open up this oyster sauce and show you its texture and consistency. There's a plastic seal up here on top. And let's see. And then there's a plastic pull tab underneath the lid. As you can see, it has a rather thick consistency. It's not too runny, but has a bit of the consistency of something like honey. It smells kind of like teriyaki sauce or barbecue sauce, but its flavor is rather distinct. Remember, a little goes a long way with this oyster sauce. And also, as you can see, it is rather glossy. I hope you'll try it out.
Enjoy. Bye-bye.